Have you ever wondered how your online self shapes who you are? In today's digital world, our identities intertwine online and offline. It's essential to explore how digital spaces affect our self-concept. Let's dive into the psychology of self and identity in these environments. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram dominate our lives. We curate profiles, share updates, and post photos. This curated persona is known as the extended self. Our digital presence leaves traces and artifacts that represent us. But how does this affect our real selves? First, consider selective self-presentation. People often share idealized versions of themselves. We highlight achievements and omit struggles. This creates a polished, but potentially misleading, identity. The impact of this idealization can be profound. Next, let's talk about social comparison. When we see others' perfect posts, we compare ourselves. This often leads to reduced self-esteem. Research shows this can increase feelings of anxiety and depression. Social workers must be mindful of this effect on their clients. Feedback loops also play a vital role. Likes, shares, and comments provide immediate social feedback. This validation can become addictive. Many tailor their online personas to gain approval, sometimes losing their authenticity. Now, let's explore avatars in virtual worlds. In immersive environments like games, users create digital personas. These avatars allow for unique identity exploration, differing from physical reality. One interesting concept is the Proteus effect. Adopting a certain avatar influences behavior. For example, people with attractive avatars often feel more confident. This shows how virtual identities can shape real-world actions. Digital spaces allow adolescents to experiment with identities. Young users can explore values and social roles in a low-risk setting. However, sharp differences between online and offline identities can create confusion. Another key aspect is the emotional attachment to avatars. Users often develop strong bonds with their digital representations. Losing an avatar can lead to distress. This indicates that avatars may become an essential part of the self. Now, let's address the integration versus fragmentation debate. Do we have a single self across context, or do we wear different masks? Research supports both views. Many adults maintain a consistent identity, using social media to extend their offline self. Others may experience fragmentation. Individuals with low self-esteem might present a braver, more confident online self. This phenomenon, known as the online disinhibition effect, shows how context affects identity. For professionals like social workers, understanding the digital self is crucial. Explore clients' online behavior and media use during assessments. This is especially important for young people navigating their identities. In summary, our digital spaces significantly shape our identities. From social media to avatars, the online self influences mental health and well-being. Let's embrace this exploration of self in the digital age. Ready to dive deeper into your digital identity? Start reflecting on your online presence today.